topic has been going to trial, so I wanted to ask you guys about, are there certain things that a jury cannot hear? Are there certain things that are off the table, if you will?
Yeah, well, the interesting part about trial is that the judge makes rulings prior to trial on what, and during the trial, on what a jury can and cannot hear. And some common things that unfortunately juries aren't able to hear is whether or not the defendant has insurance. And if a case is being tried in front of a jury, you can bet your beans that the defendant does have insurance. So it's a common misconception that this person is going to have to pay this judgment, which invokes sympathy and that sort of thing. So that's one thing. And then a lot of times, nearly every jury that we have that involves an auto accident case, at the end of the trial, they'll say, well, or they'll write a question to the judge. Where's the accident report? Well, and at the end of the trial, why didn't y'all offer the accident report? It would have shown who was liable. Well, the fact is that the accident report is what's called hearsay, and so it's not admissible. It can't be used at trial to show who was at fault. And sometimes we get asked, well, if you're trying a medical negligence case, what about this doctor? What about this hospital? What about similar situations in the past? Have they done this before? And the fact is that we can't, if that information is out there, we can't tell the jury. It's Alabama law. So there are some things out there that unfortunately, and sometimes fortunately, depends on what side of the fence you're on, that juries just simply don't get to hear.
And what the judge is going to ask you is, Mr. Riley, why is this information relevant and how is it material? Those are the two questions he wants to know when you're trying to put a piece of evidence in. What Ken just mentioned to you are specifically excluded. We know that going in. A lot of other evidence can be excluded.
So you really got to do your homework, huh?
You have to.